Today in this video, we are going to learn what is pulse relay, how it works and how it can be used in an electrical circuit. The required necessary knowledge about pulse relay is going to be discussed through this video. Let's start the video. This device which you can see on screen is known as impulse relay. Working of this is little bit like normal relay. Inside the glass relay, contact is present. If you want to change the contact, then on 13th and 14th number terminal, we need to provide power supply. Similarly, the contact of this impulse relay can also be changed by providing power supply at A1 and A2 terminal. At the time this receives power supply, contact will be changed. You will clearly understand the working in the wiring part. This relay which I have now is manufactured by CNC company. You can see the model number here. In this relay, you can see 16 ampere is written here. This means if you want to connect the load directly, like this lamp or small loads etc., can be operated directly by this relay, but maximum 16 ampere load can be used, not more than this. Let us first understand the wiring of this relay. After that, I will tell you about the application of this relay. As I told you few seconds ago that if you want to operate this relay, we need to provide signal. To provide signal, push button is used. Along with this push button, NO element must be present. This means NO contact is used to operate this relay. I already connected two wires along with this push button. This one is for incoming power supply. This one is for outgoing power supply. I am connecting this power supply wire to A1 terminal of this relay. You can see this A1 terminal, so I am connecting wire here. I am providing neutral power supply to A2 terminal. To explain the working of this relay, I am connecting a lamp. To make sure this lamp will glow, phase supply and neutral supply needs to be supplied. I am connecting this neutral supply wire along with the neutral supply provided to relay. This phase wire is to be connected either at NO contact or with NC contact of relay depending upon the application required. Right now I am using NO contact of relay. 7 number terminal is for NO contact, which is present here. So I am connecting the wire at 7 number terminal. At the incoming terminal of NO contact, phase supply needs to be provided. So I am using this wire. I am connecting one end of wire with NO contact and other end of the wire is to be connected with phase supply. Right now I am using the phase supply supplied to push button. So I am connecting at incoming terminal of push button. The connection for this relay is now completed. If you look closely to this relay, you will find a switch. When you push this upwards, your lamp will turn on. You can see the lamp is on now. On pushing downwards, lamp turns off. On upwards, turns on. So you can manually turn this on and off. Now moving to push button. On pressing push button, lamp turns on. On again pressing this, lamp turns off. This means when I am giving pulse signal even once, so that contact gets changed. But if contact changes, it will remain in that position. If I press this once, this will turn on and remain on. On again giving pulse signal, contact changes and this lamp will turn off. What is the benefit of using this relay? Listen carefully. I shown you the connection using one push button. You can connect as many push buttons in parallel as you want. So you can even switch on this relay from 10 push buttons. You can connect those in parallel to this push button and this relay will receive signal and changes its contact. I am connecting one more push button so that you can clearly understand. You can see two wires are connected to this push button. I am connecting one wire with input terminal of this push button and other end of the wire will be connected to output terminal. This much connection is only required. Now if you press this push button, lamp will turn on. On again pressing the button, lamp will turn off. You can turn on lamp from anywhere and turn off from anywhere. Likewise, you can connect as many push buttons as you want. I used push buttons to explain this. You can use sensor also. You will also find a switch for auto and off mode. This means if you push this downwards at off position, then on pressing push button, this relay won't work. It can be only operated manually. If I push this switch to auto mode and press the push button, you can see lamp turns on. On again pressing, lamp will turn off. Now, where this relay is used, let's understand. To turn this lamp on, I used 2 push buttons. This means if you want to operate load from multiple positions, this pulse relay is used. You can also use this impulse switch as changeover switch. Suppose if I have two lamps, or consider these as motors, if you want to change over these, that is to stop a motor and start another one, then you can use this impulse relay. Right now I connected this lamp with NC contact of relay and this one with NO contact of relay. If I turn on the power supply, you can see the lamp connected with NC contact turned on. Now if I press push button, this lamp turned off and this one turned on. This means changeover is applied. On again pressing the push button, this lamp turned off and this one again turned on. This means just by pressing push button, changeover can be applied. I hope you understood what is impulse relay, how it works, and where we can use this relay. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment on this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.